Alright guys, so tomorrow it's just gonna snow, so I wanted to take off the wheels I had on. You know, I just didn't want them to get too dirty, and then I just threw on the stocks. It's a little late night notice. I forgot it was gonna snow, so doing this right now. And then tomorrow you'll probably see this all full of snow. As you guys can see, it did end up snowing pretty good. And then I haven't showed you guys this one, but this is the current daily. But it snowed a good amount. But I feel like I went out earlier and the streets are pretty dry. Get into this one right here. Get a little cold start on this one. Glad I took the wheels off of that. Hey bro, it's 6 in the morning, bro. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I'm about to take out the system, or I mean install the system. We're about to taking out the seats. Yes. We got two P3 Ross Ford. Right, brother? I think it's a little dirty, but yeah. Yo, no mames, güey. El pinche, el exhaust, mira. Y luego, mira, son las Chevy tips.
Oh, it's just this, bro. Like, why should we
About to install the amp. I need a new carpet, but you know, your boy about to sponsor me over here. And then setting on my fucking speakers like they're seating and shit over here.
She so a lot of slap, bitch. Let's get it done. She so a lot. I don't care about no black nigga, or no white nigga, skinny nigga, fat nigga. I don't care about you little boy.
Alright, there. Installed. My boy Isaac. That shit looks pretty clean. Now we're just gonna put on that and should be ready. Some shit's bumping pretty nice. Doesn't sound all distorted or nothing.
We'll clean this shit up.
Oh, they're chasing, fool. Look at them.